Good afternoon, everyone. This is Arif. Now I am going to say about on the topic selections. Select and mask workspace. Creating accurate selections and masks in Photoshop is now quicker and easier than ever before. A dedicated new workspace helps you make precise selections and masks. Use tools like tools at the glance to cleanly separate foreground and background elements and do much more. Note: the Select and Mark workspace replaces the Refine Edge dialog in earlier versions of Photoshop, offering the same functionality in a streamlined way. Launch the Select and Mask workspace. Open an image in Photoshop and do one of the following. Choose Select and then click Select and Mask. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus R. Enable a selection tool such as quick Selection, Magic Wand, or Lasso. Now click Select and Mask in the options bar. This is the picture. Here you have to select the masks. Community video. Use the Select and Mask workspace. This is the picture user interface. Tools at the glance. These are the tools: quick selection tool, refine edge brush tool, lasso tool, hand tool, zoom tool. These are the tools. Quick selection tool. Make quick selections based on color and texture similarity. When you click drag the area you want to select, the mark you make does not need to be precise, because the quick selection tool automatically and intu- intuitively creates a border. For an even easier experience while using the quick selection tool, click select subject in the options bar. Automatically select the most prominent subjects in the image in a single click. This is the picture of selections. Refine edge brush tool precisely adjusts the border area in which edge refinement occurs. For example, brush over soft areas such as hair or fur to add fine details to the selection. To change the brush size, press the bracket keys. Now brush tool. Begin with making a rough selection using the quick selection tool and then refine it using the refine edge brush tool. Now use the brush tool to finalize or clean up details. Use the brush tool to fine tune selections in the two simple ways. Paint over the area you want to select in the add mode, or paint over areas you do not want to select the subtract mode. The brush tool in the select and mask workspace works much like a corresponding tool in a classic Photoshop. Object selection tool. Draw a rectangular region or lasso around an object. The object selection tool finds and automatically selects the object inside the defined region. Lasso tool. Draw freehand selection borders. Using this tool, you can make precise selections. Polygonal lasso tool. Draw straight edges segments of a selection border. Using this tool, you can make straight or freehand selection. The lasso tool in the select and marks workspace works just like the corresponding tool in classic Photoshop. You can select this tool from the options when you right click lasso tool. This is the picture. This is the symbol of lasso tool. Hand tool. Navigate around an image document quickly. Select this tool and drag around the image canvas. You can also switch to the hand tool quickly by representing H. While using any other tool, this photo works just like the hand tool in classic Photoshop. Selections. Zoom tool. Magnify and navigate around the photo. Works just like the zoom tool in a classic Photoshop in many other apps. Options bar. Add or subtract. Add or subtract. Add or subtract from the refinement area. Adjust the brush size if necessary. This is the option bar. This is the picture. Sample all layers. Creates a selection based on all layers instead of just the currently selected layer. Refine the selection. You can refine your selection in the properties panel of the select and marks workspace. Adjust the following settings. These are the view mode settings. On skin overlay, on black, on white, black and white, on layer. High quality preview renders an accurate preview of the changes. This option may affect performance when this option is selected while working on the image. Hold on the left mouse button to view a higher resolution preview. When this option is deselected, a lower resolution preview is displayed even on mouse down. Transparency or opacity. Sets the transparency or opacity for the view mode. This setting applies beyond the select and mask workspace to the overlay view mode in classic Photoshop. Edge detection settings. Radius determines the size of the selection border in which edge refinement occurs. Use a small radius of sharp edges and a large one for softer edges. Smart radius allows for a variable width refinement area around the edge of your selection. Among other use cases, this option is helpful if your selection is portrait that includes both hair and shoulders. In such portraits, the hair might require a large refinement area than shoulders, where the edge is more consistent. Global refinement settings. Smooth reduces irregular areas, hills and valleys in the selection border to create a smoother outline. Feather blurs the transition between the selection and the surrounding pixels. Contrast when increased soft edged transition along the selection border became more abrupt. Typically, the smart radius option refinement tools are more effective. Shift edge. It moves soft edged borders inward with negative values or outward with positive ones. Shifting these borders inward can help remove unwanted background colors from the selection edges. Output settings. This is the picture of output settings. Output to determines whether the refined selection becomes a selection or mask on the current layer or produces a new layer or document. This is the output settings picture. You can increase the amount. Click reset the workspace to revert the settings to the original state in which you entered the select and mask workspace. This option also reverts to the original selections or marks applied to the image when you entered the select and mask workspace. Select remember settings to save the settings for use with future images. The settings are applied afresh to all future images including the current image if it reopened in the select and mask workspace. Thank you.